In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook profile link. So once you open your Facebook app, just go ahead and click on the menu right here, and then scroll all the way down until you find the settings and privacy. So expand that one and then click on settings. So in here, you just have to scroll all the way down again until you find the account center. So just go ahead and click that one. And then click on your profiles. So in here, select your Facebook profile. And then you can now change your username in here. Just click on the username. So just to make it clear, your username is also your Facebook timeline address, which is also your Facebook URL or Facebook profile link. So just type any usernames that you like, but not all usernames are going to be available because some will have been already taken and everyone has a unique username. So once you change your username, your Facebook URL will also be updated. So you can now check it out in your Facebook account as well. Just go ahead and tap on your profile and then click on the three dots right here. And then as you can see, this is your profile link. You can copy that or whatever you wanted to do with that. Or you can use this to open up your Facebook account. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.